All right, y'all. So the plan is we're going to try this again. We're going to try to do the chicken coop again. But this time, last time it was mostly Sydney's chickens. But this time I'm going to help out. Been doing research and all kinds of stuff. So the plan is, let me show you the plan. So the plan is to have this, as you see, we have a door that can open the window. It's a 2-door thing that can open. Put my mask on. So, let me show you guys. I'm cleaning it out. Still got a lot of stuff in here. A lot of old stuff sitting in here. So the plan is to knock this structure down. Knock this down. And as you see, this is how it looks. And to have a little chicken coop door that will go from here to the outside garden area over there, so they can roam freely in the daytime. And I want to set up their little chicken coop bed so they can hatch eggs and all that good stuff. So we'll see. We're gonna try to figure this out, guys. But if you guys have any tips, you chicken people have any tips, let me know so we can do this process.
This is not fair.
I don't think they can see that. Okay, y'all, so this has been here for sure over 50 years. This space back here. For sure over 50 years, guys. But I'm trying to knock this piece down because it's not technically a part of, it's just a middle wall. So, I'm looking at this right here. It says agents, solicitors, peddlers do not trespass. What was this? Was this a kitchen right here? This looks like it used to be a window. I don't know. I'm very curious of what this used to be. We're trying to make this into the chicken coop. So we shall see, guys. We shall see. Okay, we got Aubrey in here. She's trying to help knock out this wall. Hopefully she does not make a hole through so we see outside. We're only trying to knock down this piece of wall. Let's see. Hey, wait, let me move out the way. Okay.
Oh shoot, it's supposed to come down for
Please, let's see if, now Aubrey took a little piece off. Let's see if Creek can knock some down too. And can he do it?
Sit here and watch.
Live, laugh, love.
Well, we just try to rest. This is why I go. Which is why you're at home.
Maybe I should have had goggles on too. Ooh, 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 ooh. Not that. So guys, this is what it's looking like now. As you see, the wall is no longer there. So we can have it freely open. Still dusty and got some more work to do, but